Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer spreadsheets from Excel to Airtable with templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Excel spreadsheet that you wish to transfer to Airtable. Ensure your data is organized, with clear headers and no merged cells. Select all the data in your spreadsheet, including headers. Copy the selected data by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Next, open your web browser and navigate to airtable.com. Log into your Airtable account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on Add a Base to create a new table. Choose Start from Scratch or select a template that suits your needs. If you opted for a template, review the pre-filled data and adjust it as necessary. Now, click on the first cell in the new table where you want to paste your Excel data. Right-click and select Paste or use the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Airtable will automatically map your Excel data to the appropriate columns. Check that all columns match your expectations, and make adjustments if needed. You may want to change the field types in Airtable to better fit your data, such as converting text fields to date fields or linked records. If your spreadsheet contains any formulas, remember that they will not carry over to Airtable. Review the imported data for accuracy to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, you can start utilizing Airtable's features such as filters, views, and collaboration tools. Consider customizing your new Airtable base further to suit your project specifications. Save your changes to finalize the setup. And that's how you transfer spreadsheets from Excel to Airtable using templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.